Hey guys, and welcome back to Mesha's Corner. So today I'll be making a salmon dinner. So let's get started. Alright, so to my salmon, we're gonna do it so simply, you're not even gonna believe it. So I have salmon steaks here. You can use whatever part of the salmon you prefer. To the salmon, we're going to saute it now with some poblano peppers, red onions, lemon juice, and lemon wedges. I'm gonna season this up with some cumin, ginger, salt, and brown sugar and pepper. The sides for this is I'm gonna fry up some sweet plantains and cauliflower rice. So it's fairly healthy, but yeah. All right, so you wanna season both sides liberally. This is my ginger, pepper. It looks like a lot on this side because I'm probably just gonna have enough and just mix it in really good. Some cumin, you don't wanna go too heavy on that. Y'all know cumin is an acquired taste for most people. But once you saute it down with the lemons and the poblano, it'll make a lot of sense. That was the brown sugar. And now some salt. All right, I'm gonna mix this up and then we're gonna sear it off. All right, y'all, you see how I have everything set up and ready to go. Right here, I have cilantro and lime. So we're gonna do cilantro, lime, cauliflower. I already told y'all about those vegetables for the salmon and the plantain. So now we're gonna start cooking everything. It goes really fast. All right, guys, my salmon is down. I'm gonna stir these for about 4 minutes, 4 to 5 minutes on each side. All right, so I got my salmon flipped over. You wanna add a couple tablespoons of butter. And then you're gonna start adding the poblano, onion, lemons. You sort of want to just mix them around. And every 2 minutes you want to baste your salmon with the butter, with the melted butter in the pan. So make sure you baste your salmon, guys. All right, y'all. We have everything going. See, this is what my salmon looks like after I basted it. This is my cauliflower that's sauteing right at the last 2 minutes. I'm gonna add the cilantro, lime, salt, and pepper. My plantains back there, so yeah, that's good. All right, I added my cilantro. Now you wanna add some lime juice. Mix this in and you're gonna cut your stove off. And that's it, dinner is done. Dinner is done. 30 minutes. Alright, you guys, so this is what dinner looks like. Salmon steaks, cauliflower rice, and plantains. Dinner for two. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. It was so easy and simple. The salmon is not over seasoned. It's just basic herbs and, citrus and pepper. So I can't wait to enjoy it. And tonight is actually movie night, so... let me show y'all dessert. So yesterday we went and got these cupcakes, so this is probably gonna be dessert. I really want that pretzel one right there. I don't even remember the flavor, but we got these from Small Cakes here in Texas. It's in Katy, Katy, Texas. All right, bye guys.